Welcome to Gramma's Remedies, timeless wellness tips inspired by generations of tradition. Today we're embracing a plant that's been cherished for centuries, not just for the skin, but for the stomach too, aloe vera juice. Known for its cooling and cleansing properties, this natural remedy offers gentle support, especially when your digestive system needs a little extra help. If you're looking for a natural way to relieve constipation, support digestion, and gently detox your system, this is the remedy for you. Today's remedy, aloe vera juice, a soothing internal tonic that promotes regularity and digestive comfort. What you need: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel from the inner leaf, 1 cup of water. How to make it: scoop out the clear gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf, making sure to avoid the yellow latex part near the rind. Blend the gel with 1 cup of water until smooth. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. Why it works. Aloe vera is known for its natural laxative effects, helping to stimulate bowel movements and relieve occasional constipation. It's also rich in enzymes that support digestion and contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may soothe the gut lining. As a bonus, aloe vera helps hydrate the body and may support healthy skin and detoxification from the inside out. It's one of Gramma's go-to tonics when things need to start moving again, gently and naturally. Try it and stay connected. Try this refreshing remedy and experience the internal reset it can offer. Be sure to follow Gramma's Remedies so you're always the first to discover our next wellness tip, keeping you healthy, regular, and naturally nourished. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before using herbal remedies, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or managing health conditions. Aloe vera can have strong effects. Use with care and always in moderation. Thank you for joining Gramma's Remedies. Until next time, stay well and stay rooted in tradition.